Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Poroscopy. Poroscopy is also called Locard's method of identification. When partial or fragmented fingerprints are found, the poroscopy is a reliable method of identification. Locard's exchange principle. In Locard's exchange principle, when two objects come in contact with each other, invariably there is transfer of materialistic things from one object to another object. This is Locard's exchange principle. This Locard exchange principle is used to detect the crimes.
thank you and thank you for watching.